Hi, and welcome to Masterdigm. Masterdigm is an enterprise solution. What that means is that you're allowed to share leads with one another in the organization, have them segmented per person, or have multiple people sharing multiple leads. In order to create those permissions, we have a hierarchy of a manager level, supervisory level, agents levels, and view and assistants. You have assistant levels. In this box it says view all users. You can add users and you can create user groups. We will talk about adding a user. When you click on adding a user, the roles and permissions come up. In this section here, you would add a username and all the first name and last name, all the information, passwords, city, phone numbers, etc. Any information like Yahoo or Skype. And you can make this public or private. If you choose yes, then everybody in the organization can see one another's contact information. Of course, not the password and things of that nature. Now, depending on the hierarchy of the organization, you would check the user type and you would have a supervisor, or you can have an agent, and it says supervisor, who would be the person above their name. If it's an assistant could be a role to a permission, or an assistant to an agent, to a supervisor, or to a manager. When filling out this information, you go to the permission area. In the permissions area, in this section, it has multiple sections. It has the permission section, another permission section, which will be explained, and it says other permissions. And if you click on manage website, we'll open up another section for managing the website. But starting off in this area, you can use these radio buttons right here to simply click on them and give permission to whomever. Now, you can take away certain permissions, such as not giving someone the ability to remove leads. In the conversation log, you may allow them to view the leads or view the conversation, add a conversation, but take away editing and deleting rights. In this section here, it says documents. You can allow them to view documents, add documents, edit documents, and delete documents. Now, we can help you set this up because sometimes it's a little bit tricky on how you want to set up different permission roles. But this video should give you a good opportunity to set it up yourself. You can allow direct supervisor calendar view. So if you have an assistant or an agent, then you can go ahead and give them viewing rights to your calendar if you're above them, as well as seeing your leads, add and editing the leads. Or in the whole full organization, you can give someone the ability to see every lead in the organization by simply clicking and putting green arrows in these boxes. In the other permission section, it says can assign manager and supervisor leads to other users. You could give that ability. Can search all leads of the account, of this account. Also view updesk leads. The updesk leads are where leads are in one central core that could be shared with everybody. So it's kind of like a free-for-all account that all leads, let's say certain leads were purchased, and you could import them into the updesk and then have everybody pick and choose what they want out of that updesk area. You could also allow lead sharing, allow lead importing and exporting, so you could take away or give someone the rights to export or to import. You can allow the contact importing, allow contact exporting as well. And then if you have a website with Masterdigm and Will to Design, you could give the ability to other users in the organization to website content add, so add content to the website, deleting content, creating categories, configuration, creating menu blocks, which will be discussed in more video sections on the CMS, the content management system, and also allowing to create menus on the website itself. If we're to create a name, like I'll do right now, once all the information is entered in, simply click Save, and what will happen is this. You will end up receiving the user details and the information how you selected the permissions for the person. Okay. Now, if you have a problem with some permissions, you just have to study them or give us a call or ask us, and we'll show you how to set up someone's permissions. If you do have any questions regarding user details, simply click on support and enter in a support question, and we'll be sure to help you immediately. This concludes the user details video.